Welcome. Okay, in just a moment, okay, I'm going to jump into this spreadsheet right here, okay, to show you how to use it to create that perfect customer profile for your business, okay. And it really doesn't matter what type of business you do, all right. It is a very simple spreadsheet, but what you might not realize is that if you complete this spreadsheet based on your business and you use it to create that really special customer avatar that you want to target for your business, you will be able to treat those customers in ways that no one else has ever done before. And this strategy not only makes customers keep coming back to you to buy more and more products if you have similar products to sell them, but if you do it well enough, okay, these types of customers will only buy from you. So let us get into the spreadsheet right now. Okay, the first thing to understand is that this spreadsheet has 14 steps. Okay, then the next thing I want to define is what type of business am I in so that I can complete the spreadsheet based on the perfect customer for that business. So in my case, right now, I'm going to align with a business that is similar to that of my wife in the beauty industry. Okay, so let us pretend that I sell a line of products for the beauty industry, and this guy right here, his name is Jimmy. Okay, and he is speaking directly to me by saying, hello, maybe I am your perfect customer and my name is Jimmy. Okay, now you can replace this image with any image to represent your character or someone that you want to make your perfect customer. All right, so in order to complete this spreadsheet, I'm going to run down the spreadsheet as Jimmy is speaking to me. Okay, so here I say I am, okay, I am 41 years old. As you can see, the areas in pink are what you will be filling in as you create this imaginary person, whom here I call him Jimmy. Okay, so for the sake of the speed here on the instructions I'm giving on the spreadsheet, I have already completed all of the pink blanks in the spreadsheet because the whole purpose here is just to give you the instructions so we can move right along very quickly. So as I read here, I am married, I have 2 kids. Okay, I use public transport to work. So if you notice here, I have other options such as I can select here, I walk to or I drive to. Okay, I use public transport, and then I say here I work at an institution called Jimmy Health and Beauty Spa. Now notice here that as we progress down, okay, through this spreadsheet, I am getting more and more specific on the life of Jimmy. Okay, I am practically, okay, as I am completing the spreadsheet, I am designing his life, and I'm doing that through a process of brainstorming. Okay, the fields in this 14-step spreadsheet, okay, are designed exactly to make you think and brainstorm the type of customer that you want your business to have. In other words, what you are really doing is thinking about those types of customers that will be a perfect fit for your products and services that you sell. Okay, in my case, um, here obviously I am pretending that I am selling a line of beauty products. I am programming basically my perfect customer to be a person whose life is surrounded, okay, in a beauty salon, as that will be a perfect place to find customers in which I can sell them my beauty products. As you can see here, this guy Jimmy works in a beauty salon called the Jimmy Health and Beauty Spa, right? And he is, and by just looking at it, you can see that the name Jimmy Health and Beauty Spa gives it away that Jimmy is actually the owner of this beauty salon. As you go down through the spreadsheet, okay, you will need to keep that type of thought in mind at all times, so that once you reach the end of the 14-step spreadsheet, this spreadsheet, okay, you will then eventually have a perfect customer for which you will want to target and sell them any products or services that you're selling. Okay, so continuing on here on the spreadsheet, okay, I state here I work as a manager, okay, and owner of the Jimmy Health and Beauty Spa. I live in a country called South Africa. I live in a city called Johannesburg, okay. Um, I live I live about um, 5 kilometers, or in between 0.5 kilometers, but less than 1 kilometer from my work. But then again, here I have other options for which I can choose to make Jimmy living distance be different. Okay, but I'll leave that as this. All right. And then here we jump into step 2, step 12. And from this point onwards, basically the last 3 steps, you are basically getting in a lot more deeper into the likes and the dislikes about this Jimmy character that I'm creating here. And depending on what you select here, for example, I do enjoy, okay, or do enjoy or don't enjoy. I'm selecting here do enjoy. And what this means is that I am basically getting closer and closer on the type of person that Jimmy is. You know, if I say I do enjoy work because it is what I like to do, it has always been my dream to open my own beauty salon as I'm doing right now. If I choose it differently, you will um, tell me that Jimmy is a completely different person. That's why I say from step 12 to step 14, really depending on what you select here and what you describe here, okay, and this is flexible. You will describe as as deep and as you can be as flexible as you want on this description to basically shift the character of the perfect customer that you're creating towards the direction that you really want. Okay, if I go further below, I leave work around 5 to 7 p.m. But then again, here I have other options which I can choose from and go on. home, have dinner with my 2 kids and wife, and we all enjoy a good night out before everyone goes to their room at bedtime. And right before going to bed, I start wondering why some other salons in the area have more customers than mine, and what else I could be doing better to improve my services at my salon. So you see here in step 14, this description, if you really take a good look at this last description on step 14, it's basically Jimmy telling you his exact problems that he has. And that is a very good opportunity for any business owner to look at as they are designing their products and services that they want to sell to a customer, because the best way to create a product or a service is to know exactly what problem that person has and then offer them a solution to that problem in the form of a product or a service. So here I basically complete the profiling, okay, of the 14th step for this Jimmy character. So I've created already this imaginary character whom I want them to be deemed as the perfect customer for my business. And I have this little customer profile analysis that I created. So what it says is that based on the profile of the person that you just created, which is this guy, Jimmy, you will then want to streamline or develop or amend or adjust your products or services to accommodate the specific needs of this Jimmy character here. And from here on then, every piece of content you create anywhere online, promoting and describing what you are selling, should be speaking directly to this character so that they are most attracted to whatever information you are providing. Every call to action, every article, every post, every video, every ad you create, everything should be speaking directly to this person, which is Jimmy in my particular case. Yes, it is true that this may just be a fictitious person that we created, an imaginary person, but we all have to remember that there are all sorts of people in this world with all sorts of problems of their own. And this person that we created just here, as you are creating your own for your own business, you have to try to mimic a real life person with real life problems. So what you do then is you start to think, okay, based on the profile that you just created, where would such a person that we just created be hanging out? What do they do? Where do they go online? Which Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups do they are they more likely to join? Okay, from there on, your mission basically is to serve this person online, and you shouldn't ever try to please or serve everyone on the internet. Otherwise, you will just end up confusing everyone else, whoever comes across any content that you create. After I'm done with this customer analysis, I will want to ask myself how I as a business owner will help this Jimmy character. And I do that by following these 3 questions here. First is, I will help my perfect customer, Jimmy, by frequently visiting his salon, and 1, explain how my beauty line of products can help his customers, okay? And 2, I might from time to time offer them sample of my products so that they can try them out with their customers. And then the change, okay, I want to make is that I would want to make my perfect customer salons, I would want to make Jimmy's salon be seen as one of the best salons in his neighborhood. And I will do that by making sure that they offer my line of beauty products to their clients. Okay? And then how will I know that I am successful in delivering all of these 2 points to my perfect client? I will know that I am successful when every month, okay, one, my business, my line of beauty products, when we are able to sell about 250 of our beauty products from our line of products to all of our perfect customers who fit within the same profile as Jimmy. And two, I will also be successful when every month we are able to perhaps receive about 100 salons similar to Jimmy's calling us and asking us more information about our products and even buying our products. Okay? And from here on, then, I'm practically done with this spreadsheet and profiling of this perfect customer whom here I identify him as Jimmy. Okay, the next thing is making your perfect customer, which is Jimmy, into also your most profitable customer. And by doing that, you can ask yourself, how can you convert this person, okay, whom might just be a regular customer, into also someone that might be a most profitable customer, meaning a customer that will bring the most money to your business. Because not everyone will become a very profitable customer. We all know that. But you should always be on the lookout to find these types of customers. And that is what my other spreadsheet, okay, but that spreadsheet is a little bit more advanced and it costs $37 to get it. You can get it on this link. And what this spreadsheet really does, it works hand in hand with this spreadsheet. And the goal of that spreadsheet is actually to identify, okay, customers that are deemed to be very profitable for your company. And in some cases, it could already be some of your current customers, like Jimmy. In some cases, and if that's the case, if it's already some of your customers, that spreadsheet will help you convert those customers into also very profitable customers. In other cases, even if you don't already have a customer in your database that can be converted, that spreadsheet is really designed to profile not only your perfect customer, but your most profitable customer that your business can acquire. So in any case, you should still take a look at this other spreadsheet that I have for $37 because that is what it does at its best. I always say this, but people who do not take this type of profiling seriously, they are always leaving money on the table because it can literally be the difference of just making a few bucks on the internet and large amounts of money on the internet. Okay, so with that said, this is the spreadsheet. I strongly urge you to take a look at this spreadsheet as well so that you can see how best to parallel both spreadsheets, the perfect customer spreadsheet plus the most profitable customer spreadsheet. And with that in hand, thank you.